My name is Becca and I'm a proud Nigerian housewife. People really think this is what Nigerian housewife does. But let me show you what really goes down. Oh, shh. Did you know why? I am Becca, the Nigerian housewife, and these are my chronicles.